Do you want more motivated house seller leads as a real estate investor or a real estate agent? Well, we're going to show you a different way to do it than everyone else is doing it that actually adds more predictability and more sustained results. Click the link below to watch the free training, or in this video, I'm going to show you what we're going to be diving into on that free training. So the big thing here is most of us go after our leads in something that we call hamster wheel marketing, where you have to continually do all this stuff to get the leads coming in all the time. We're going to show you how to actually get off of that hamster wheel and get long-term momentum with your leads. Cold leads suck, y'all. You guys are out there hustling for leads, and oftentimes it's people who don't want to do business right now. Well, with the lead source, we're going to show you in the exact process on evergreen marketing. We're going to show you how you can actually convert your leads up to 3 times higher because it's a better lead source. And we're actually going to show you step by step how to then shift the way that you completely do all of your content marketing. Most of us as agents or investors actually put our content on social media, which is the complete wrong spot to put it. If you're on Facebook, if you're on Instagram watching this, and all of your content is primarily housed on social media, you are on the hamster wheel right now, and it's going to be hard to get off. So click the link below, dive into this training. We're actually going to give away something really cool on the training as well. We have something called the 30-Day Authority Challenge, where we're going to walk you through how to do all of this step by step. It's usually $100. It's worth over $1,000. We're going to give one lucky participant on this call live access to that entire challenge for free. But come on, guys, we're going to show you guys how to get your motivated seller leads, build momentum over the long term, finally get off of that marketing hamster wheel so you can get consistency, predictability, and convert hot leads at a much higher rate and get more quality. Click the link. We'll see you on the training.